ready to share your passion with the world through a live YouTube broadcast. Let's get you set up with OBS Studio in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to download and install OBS Studio. Head over to OBS Project and grab the version that's right for your operating system. It's free and open source, so no worries there. Once OBS is installed, open it up and let's dive into the settings. Click on File in the top left, then Settings. In the Settings window, select the Stream tab on the left. For the service, choose YouTube Gaming. Now, the easiest way to connect is by clicking Connect Account. This will prompt you to log into your YouTube account, granting OBS permission to stream directly if you prefer. You can also use a stream key obtained from your YouTube Studio. Next, we'll configure your output settings. Go to the Output tab, set your output mode to Advanced for more control. Under the Streaming tab, you'll see options for your encoder and bitrate for most users. The hardware NVIDIA H264 or by260 for encoders will work well. Your bitrate will depend on your internet upload speed. A good starting point for 720p streaming is around 25 million for 1000 kbps, and for 108p, it's typically 45 million 6000 kbps. Make sure your upload speed can handle it. Now, let's move to the Video tab. Here, you'll set your base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution. Your base resolution should match your monitor's resolution, usually 1920 by 1080. Your output resolution is what your viewers will see, 1920 x 1080 for 108p or 1280 by 720 for 720p are common choices. Don't forget audio. In the Audio tab, ensure your desktop audio is set to capture your game or computer sounds, and your microphone auxiliary audio is set to the microphone you want to use for commentary. With your settings configured, click Apply and then OK to close the settings. Now, in your main OBS window, you'll need to add sources to your scene. Click the plus button under the Sources box. For gameplay, select Game Capture for your whole screen. Use Display Capture, and for your microphone, add an audio input capture position and resize your sources as needed within the preview window. When you're ready to go live, simply click the Start Streaming button. Head over to your YouTube Studio to see your stream preview and get ready to connect with your audience. And that's it. You're now ready to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. Happy streaming.